Hi guys, it's me, Polar Beast from Magic Tricks, and welcome to day 3 of the 12 Days of Christmas. So, for this video, I'm gonna be showing you, I'm just gonna be solving the Rubik's Cube for you guys on camera, because, I really enjoy solving the cube, and I wanted to show you, like, how fast, and just show you that I can do it. So anyways, I'm just gonna jump right into it. So just gonna mix up the cube to start. And I think this should be good. It's all mixed up, obviously. I actually like to solve the cube sitting down, so I'm gonna sit down. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the cube, and then I'm gonna back up a little bit, and here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Getting close. So there you go. Here's the cube. There is the solved cube. So that's that. I'll do it again and see if I can get faster. I wasn't timing myself that time, but I think it was about a little below 1 minute. I have to guess. Yeah. I'm just mixing it up now. Okay, all mixed up, good and mixed up. And that'll be it for this video. It's gonna be a short one, or not short, but like not a long. So mixed up, and I'm gonna be solving in 3, 2, 1, go. I started it too. Oh wait, I messed up. Yeah, no, I'm standing up, so. Well, I don't know if this is gonna be a very good one. Although usually whenever I say that, it's always really good. When I think it's gonna be good, it's always bad. Wow, almost there. I'm on my spoon algorithm. For those of you that know cubes. And the last one, and there we go. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then yay. See you next time. Bye, see you tomorrow.